Hey, Kyle Sasser here, Keller Williams, St. Pete, and it's your favorite time of the month. That's right, market statistics. So this is single-family home statistics for Hillsborough County for April 2020. So let's dive into the specific statistical numbers for Hillsborough County for April 2020 compared to April 2019. So the total number of single-family homes sold in Hillsborough County dropped 18.4% from 1,873 units to 1,529 units. The median sales price has gone up 9.1% from $247,000 to $270,000. That is a significant increase. Average sales price is up 11.1% from $300,000 to $333,000. That might be more significant than the median sales price. Median time to contract has dropped 37% from 32 days to 20 days, which is again, a very significant drop. So homes are not sitting on the market as long. Median time to contract means how long a home is up on the market for sale before a offer is accepted. The number of pending sales, which is the total number of homes that are under contract, dropped 27.8% from 2,245 to 1,621. The number of new listings dropped 28.9% to 1,637. And the number of total homes for sale, which we call active listings or inventory, total number of active listings dropped 18.9% to 3,748. So with that, we can see the structure of the current market trend, which is sellers basically one out of every three potential seller deciding not to sell their house, but the number of buyers remaining the same as before, or maybe a little bit reduced, but not enough to have a big impact. So the total number of houses sold has dropped. The number of homes available for sale has dropped, but the prices that things are selling for is up significantly. So just to dive into the price points here, because price point does have an impact on things, because let's face it, a $4 million house is going to sell a little differently than a $200,000 house. So the one thing to point out here, first of all, is that every category, no matter what the price point, is down when compared to previous years. So just across the board. And most of them by pretty significant margins. So just to give you some examples here, the number of new listings between $100,000 and $150,000 are down 37.3% to 52 listings. $200,000 to $250,000 is down 30.9% to 375. $250,000 to $300,000 is down 24.2%. $400,000 to $600,000 is down 13.8% to $250,000. And the number of homes $1 million or more is down 46.4% to 37. So there's half as many people in April 2020, decided to list a house $1 million or more compared to April 2019. That is very significant. Total inventory, which is all of the single-family homes for sale. Again, same thing. Across the board, every price range, the number of total homes available is down. So just some examples here. So 150 to 200,000 is down 32.1% to 288. $200,000 to $250,000 is down 24% to 638. $300,000 to $400,000 is down 20% to 746 units. $600,000 to $1 million is down 12.7%. So fewer homes being put up for sale, resulting in fewer total active inventory, with the relatively same amount of buyers equals higher prices across the board. Last page I like to cover here is the doom and gloom page, which I need to preface this a little bit because if you remember, the state has put a moratorium on foreclosures and evictions. I believe that expires the end of May, if I remember correctly. But suffice to say, these numbers are influenced by legislative action. The other thing to remember with foreclosures is that it's a legal process, and it takes a while for that to work its way through the courts. And since those have basically been stopped, I don't believe that these numbers are going to be terribly trustworthy for a couple months. At least so far. I do believe they're accurate so far as what's actually sold, but I think there's going to be a backlog of foreclosures and stuff that's going to take a little while to work through. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it to see. But these stats definitely paint a pretty rosy picture. Just keep in mind that I don't think they're accurate. So number of foreclosures in Hillsborough County was for single-family homes was down 45.5% from 55 to 30. And the number of short sales was down 58.3% from 12 to 5. So that basically gives you the overview for homes in Hillsborough County. What the current real estate trend is for April 2020 compared to April 2019.